smell good.
What are we doing today?
Well, we're fixing up my wheels.
They actually look really good. They actually poke from like here. They poke a lot.
Yeah.
And then the white makes it pop out so much more.
Right? This is gonna change the side markers, but I think that's all that's missing so far.
It looks really good. I don't know how it look good. It looks on camera like the white, but it's like, it's kind of blinding.
Yeah.
And
Look at the fitment. Look at the fitment.
I know.
I think I need to add a spacer in the front.
Probably in the front, but
because I started rubbing in the inner wall on full turns. Not really much, but it just depends on the type of like dip. This rear one, I'm rubbing, but the fitment looks so good. It's like you can feel it. Feel it, Christian?
I have two cameras in my hand.
Never mind.
Let's see from the back. Yeah, it's really good. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's go pick up Bryx. Alright, as we were waiting for Bryx to get his car cleaned, we took some photos here. So, what are we replacing on your car?
I'm gonna
it's
see.
These ones, no?
These ones. Yeah.
With white?
Yep.
It looks really good.
Want to see it?
Yeah, show me and then we'll go to Bryx's house right now. The struggle of these freaking bugs.
Is this the driver's side? No, looks like it. Look at these.
And make sure you follow this guy on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
IKU_x86.
I don't know.
Put it shit.
Put it against the car. I think it'll make it look good.
Yeah, dude.
I like it.
So much better.
And it turns on with the light?
It turns on, but it's yellow because they made it in a way where they have to make it yellow because anything that's white will make it is illegal technically.
For the side markers.
Yeah, for the side
But
markers.
you can't make it like LED? That's not illegal, is it?
It should be LED now.
It's just amber white.
No,
well,
LED, like the LED light, right?
Oh,
They use LEDs?
I think so.
It's
Yeah.
better anyways, because this is just a reflector.
I mean, fuck it. Do I have to? I might just turn it off or just not plug it in.
no.
Just keep it white.
Alright, we're gonna go to Bryx's house and, and install it.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Oh yeah, Bryx got his car cleaned and he had to drive through the dirt because it's like a one-way and not that many people come through here.
But for some reason, people are coming through.
I know. And then your Instagram for your car. Oh, you got rid of the sticker. Okay,
It's
mister.
old, so.
Okay, right.
Okay, right.
Alright, let's go. Okay. Is it like a turn signal too or no?
No.
Okay. Turn it on.
Here, I've been carrying this thing around for months. I don't want it anymore.
Nice. Easy peasy.
That's easy.
Click. You want to test it before you put it in? Like, no?
Because if it doesn't work, I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna leave it.
What if one works, one doesn't?
That's fine.
Together.
It's fine.
Oh, take off the screw. I put the nut on it. So you don't lose it.
The only one we're working on.
The one nut, dude. Be careful, bro.
Yeah, turn it on. I want to see.
Turn it on. It's gonna be yellow.
Yeah, that's kind of gross. You should
What
see
is
if you
it,
can
this-
change the bulb to LED.
I can.
Why?
It's built into the fucking thing.
Oh, really?
I'm down if it's really ugly and I just don't like it. You can turn it on. It's bright as fuck.
It is super bright. And the camera doesn't like pick up the color too well.
It's like really orange. It says orange is this.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's not bad. I mean, it's just.
Alright, which one do you like better? Bright ass orange. The camera doesn't pick it up too well.
Oh, it isn't.
Compared to that, let's run.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, the other one, this one is like a lot duller.
Yeah.
I think I like the other one better.
I think just take it off. Leave it off.
No,
Just leave it off,
I
just
would
keep it
leave
on.
it on. I like it.
I like the yellow, not gonna lie, or the orange, whatever. It matches the turn signal.
Yeah, I think you should leave it on.
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright.
do the other side. I forgot, what size bolt was it?
It's a 10.
So you want to remove the inner fender lining, and then there's one bolt, it's a 10 millimeter. And then you unclip it, and then you put it back in, you clip it, and then that's it.
Here, I'll show you the clips.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, when you take off this bolt and you remove this, you want to pinch both sides. So I push this one up first and then push the bottom one out. That makes sense. And then just push it back in.
Perfect.
Bitch not going anywhere.
And then I like the little details. I want to show like little clips of us driving, but it's gonna be kind of hard. We're all gonna be taking different cars. But I like it because at night it'll pop a lot more, especially like when we're rolling and stuff. It'll look a lot better.
I can't believe I'm missing some.
But look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. It continues the theme. Now the taillights, my boy.
No, it's this.
The calipers. I
The
know.
calipers. I mean, it matches the silver, right? Like shit.
I wanted to ask if any of you guys are watching this video this far late, if you get the big brake kit, would it clear the wheel?
Oh yeah, it's gonna clear.
It's gonna clear, right?
It should clear. I mean, look how much space I have.
I know, but you never know how big they are, you know, especially your rear,
Oh yeah.
you know? You're already worried about rubbing and stuff.
I'm
If he
gonna
get-
have to add spacers to the front anyways.
So if he gets either like Willwood or Brembo, I don't know what other big brake kits there are, would he rub? Because like, honestly, like, I don't know what you mean, but the calipers don't do
No, it's
the
fucking
wheel
ugly.
justice. Like if I was telling him
Ugly, dog.
like a black brake with white letterings would look sick.
It would look good.
Because it would match like the whole like theme of the wheel. Like the lug nuts are black with the little silver lining or whatever, and then the white wheel with the silver, and then the white with the black. I think that would look sick. We shall see. That shit's bright. Dumb expensive. All right, other side. I was recording. What did you say?
It's always important to have the right tools. Unfortunately, at Bryx's house, we do not have a flathead, and this plastic one won't pull off because it'll flim.
What do you
So
think?
flimsy.
This ought to be the right kind of place for a tough guy like you. Garbage can, rights galore. Slam! Take off! Beat it!
Last one, bitch. God damn it, dude. These tiny ass ones. Needs a lot of grip.
I thought you were gonna fart.
I have to pull both sides, but it's not. Fucking. What's up? Oh, please.
Got you.
I'm sweating out here just to install these motherfuckers.
Parker's killer, really? Yeah, I hear that shit.
But yeah, bolts here. Right here. Fits a 10.
You good at that, huh?
Oh yeah.
That sounds like you're freaking breaking it.
I don't give a fuck anymore. Oh, no. Yeah.
Easy peasy. Never mind, spoke too soon. That easy peasy.
No, it's just the top one is just so like. Yeah, what the fuck?
So you just pinch it right, and then
Yeah.
unclip the clip for the light.
This is so much better than the old gen. The old gen, these fucking clips on the old ones are so flimsy that you would have to you would have to just zip tie it, or you can actually buy the replacement for it. But fuck.
And then get a microfiber towel and like wipe it off.
Am I stupid?
Yeah, probably. You're done.
Damn, Encyclopedia made it look so easy to just push in.
And that's it. And then you just push the bolt back in and then put it in together.
Yeah, pretty much.
Very nice.
Very good.
What do you think? This ought to be the right kind of place for a tough guy like you. Garbage cans, rats galore. Scram! I said take off! Beat it! Let's go!
How are you doing? How are you doing?
Did you hear it was okay? You said it was okay.
You're crying.
No, I felt bad.
I can eat.
No, let's just take it to go, bro.
I still think it'd be better if you put the pants lower.
No. I see the red dot, you
Dude, just finish the food.
can't. Why'd you order so much, Christian?
That was you.
I'm gonna just take it home, okay?
I don't think we can.
What do you guys said?
I think we could.
Read the thing. The top, the left.
I still think it'd be better if you put down your pants.
It says not to be ordered.
And this is where we will end today's video as Jordan fights not to throw up as he ordered way too much food.
You ordered.
I didn't order too much food. You were in charge of the menu the whole time, and I'm pretty sure it's on camera. I think that Jordan's wheels look absolutely amazing, and his side markers, or what are they called? Like, so if just in case people wanna like look it up. What's the brand?
Let me see.
Whatever. But driving on the freeway with him, it actually looks really good. Anything else?
I'm full.
I know. Trying to convince this guy to do more
He needs
performance mods to his car, but let us know.
He needs to get headers.
Oh, he needs to get the Cusco. What is it called? Cusco's control arms for better fitment for his car. I'll put like the description of the view or the side markers in the description below. Anything else?
I'm trying to find it, but has to, right? Auto revitalization. That's the SKU number.
Whatever, I'll put it in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what Jordan should do to his car next.
Love you guys.
We'll see you guys in the next video. I thought you were gonna do something silly that you always do.
Something wholesome for once. What? It's gonna shock him.
Ah, fucking.